English Grammar Part 11 Adjectives. Adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: Sita has long hair. Hair is a noun. It describes long, so it is adjective. The second one, the old man had two dogs. In this, man also noun. It describes old. Dogs also noun. It describes how many dogs? Two. So those are adjectives. Adjectives are different, size and shape. Examples given here. Structure. Examples given here. Taste. Examples given here. Appearance. Examples given here. Color. Different colors. Examples given here. Now, identify adjectives in the given sentences. Pause the video and read the sentences, identify adjectives and check the answers with it. Check it. Next, types of adjectives. There are 6 types of adjectives is there. First one, adjective of quantity. It tells about the kind of noun. Example: beautiful, big, good, sweet, like that. Second one, adjective of quantity. It tells about the quantity of noun. Example: enough, some, like that. Next, third one, adjective of number. It tells about the number of noun. Example: 2, 5, 10, like that. Fourth one, demonstrative adjectives. It tells about point out the nouns. This is, that is, like that. Next, interrogative adjectives. Those are asking questions with the help of what, which, who, whose, etc. Last one, possessive adjectives. It tells about show the possession or belongings to. Example: my, your, their. We discuss deeply one by one. First one, adjectives of quality. An adjective tells us about the kind or nature of a noun or a pronoun. Observe the examples carefully. First, Meena is a good dancer. Dancer is a noun. How kind she perform? A good. So it is the adjective. Good is an adjective. Observe the second example. We have a big house. House is a noun. How nature the house is there? It is big. So it is adjective. Question starts with what kind of. First example, question: what kind of dancer Meena is? Second example question: what kind of house do you have? Observe, and identify adjectives of quantity in the given sentences. Pause the video, read the sentences and identify quality of adjectives and cross-check to answers. Second one, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells us about a quantity of a thing or object. Observe the examples. I completed some homework. How much homework do you complete? Here, homework is a object. How much? Some. So it is adjective. Some word is adjective. Now observe the second sentence. I add 2 spoons of sugar into the tea. Sugar is an adjective. How much sugar do you add? It's 2 spoons. So it is adjective. So questions start with how much. First sentence question like this. How much homework did you complete? The second sentence question, how much sugar do you add? Third type, adjectives of number. It tells us about the number of persons, things or animals in the sentence. Observe the examples. All the students are in the class. How many students in the class? All students. So, all is a number of adjective. Observe second sentence. I have 2 bags. How many bags do you have? 2. So, it is related to the adjective number. Question starts with how many. First sentence questions like this. How many students are in the class? Second sentence question like this. How many bags do you have? Next, fourth type, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is an adjective which is used to point out naming words. Observe the examples. This book is mine. Here book is subject. Whose book? It is mine. So demonstrate this word. So it is the demonstrative adjective. Observe the second sentence. I can see that mango tree. Mango tree is a naming word or subject. It represents that. So it is demonstrative adjective. Starts with question, which one? First sentence question, which is your book? This is. So it is demonstrative adjective. Second question, which one do you see? I can see that mango tree. That. So demonstrative adjective. Observe difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Observe carefully given examples. This book is mine. This is represented to demonstrative adjective. In the second sentence, this is my book. This represented to the demonstrative pronoun. What is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative adjective places before the noun. Similarly, demonstrative pronoun placed before the verb. Observe one more example carefully. This garden is beautiful. Here, garden is a noun. This is a demonstrative adjective placed before the noun. Same sentence. Similarly, in second sentence, this is a beautiful garden. Here, is a verb. In verb before this is demonstrative pronoun. Next, fifth one, interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is an adjective which asks a question. Observe examples carefully. What animal is that? Here, animal is a subject before questioning word what. It is interrogative adjective. Second example, which dress do you want? Here, dress is a subject before questioning word which is interrogative adjective. Observe carefully difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Observe examples. What animal is that? Here, animal is a subject or noun. It's placed before question word what. It is interrogative adjective. Second sentence, second question, that means what is that animal? Here, is a verb. What question word before the verb? So it is interrogative pronoun. Observe one more example carefully. Which dress do you want? Question word before the noun. So it is interrogative adjective. Next sentence. Which is your dress? Question word before the verb. So it is interrogative pronoun. Observe. Next, possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective is an adjective that shows possession or belonging. Observe the examples carefully. My book is on the table. Here book is subject. Who's represented? So my. It is the possessive adjective. Second example, they sold their house. House is a noun. Whose house? It is there. So question starts with whose. The first sentence questioning like this. Whose book is on the table? Similarly, second sentence question is like this. Whose house did they sell? Observe carefully difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Examples. This is my dress. Dress is noun. Whose dress? My. So it is possessive adjective. The second sentence, the dress is mine. Dress is a noun. Whose? Mine. Here observe. Possession is after the noun. So it is possessive pronoun. One more example, observe carefully. This is his maiden. Here adjective is before the noun, so it is possessive adjective. The maiden is his. In this sentence, pronoun is after the noun, so it is possessive pronoun. Recap on this.